Rightio campers, we've got a fish hole. Bastard's down in the mud and the weed here and it's pissing down like buggery. That's all good. Gotta get them up out of the weed. First time I've had the fly rod out this year. Man, it's hosing down now. That's all good. Going around the corner of the weed. Bloody thing. Come on, Bubba. I'll let you go. I know the fish are in here because I can see them. First time I've used this rod too. Bought it last winter. Come on, Bubba, it's a decent fish. Oh, man. Didn't want to give up. As long as the arms aren't long enough to go around the corner. Come on. Come on, fishy. There he is. Oh, good sized fish too. Stunner. Big fish. Gotta get off the jetty. Just to take this bloody fencing down. It's just a nuisance. Right, now that we're off that flipping jetty, we can play this fish. It's got a lot of weight. Oh, big fish. Spawning colours too. I'll be getting a crack on the head this one. It's hooked in the gills. Yeah, big jack. Look at this thing. Stunner. Beautiful jack. Good size, 6.5 pounds. Dad's got a count of himself. Awesome. Go back to where you came from. I said you'd go home. Away he goes. Beautiful fish.